I'm Olivia Nicholson and I do level 2 technical certificate in hospitality and catering. After I've completed the level 2 technical certificate in hospitality and catering, I wish to progress to the level 3 MVQ professional cookery advanced diploma. After this course, I wish to progress to employment to become a professional pastry chef. The course has been very interesting and I have met many friendly students. I have learned many skills which include health and safety knowledge, knife skills, preparing meat, fish and poultry for cooking. I have also learned how to finish food and many aspects of pastry. The course also teaches me waiting on skills including serving drinks and food to customers, laying tables, professional cleaning and bartending and much more. I have completed work experience while on the course and I worked at Chester Races, waiting on and working within the kitchens. This was a great experience and I fully enjoyed putting my skills into practice. I have gained work experience supporting a wide range of events and activities across the Wirral and in Liverpool, including waiting on at Anfield for Liverpool Football Club. I have recently attended a Paul Askew masterclass while on my course. Paul Askew is a former student of Wirral Met and runs the Art School restaurant in Liverpool.